The intake gasket creates a sill between the air filter base and the carburetor, keeping dust and debris out. Over time, the gasket can tear or crack, allowing harmful debris into the carburetor. When the air filter base is removed from the carburetor, the gasket can be torn. It is best to replace the gasket each time the base is removed. Replacing the intake gasket is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how.
Hi, I'm Mark Socha.
Do-it-yourself repairs like these are easier than you might think. From lawn machines to cordless drills, kitchen mixers,
Outdoor grills.
our how-to videos walk you through each repair from start to finish. So doing it yourself means never having to do it alone.
Let's get started.
I'll begin by removing the air filter cover and the air filter. Now remove the two bolts that secure the prevent plate and the carburetor. I'll remove the bolts and prevent plate from the air filter base. Now I can remove the intake gasket. I'll thread the bolts and prevent plate into the air filter base. And now I can install the new intake gasket. Next, I'll thread the bolts through the carburetor, the other intake gasket, and I'll remount this assembly to the engine. And I'll finish up by reinstalling the air filter and the air filter cover. And that's how you can replace the intake gasket on your small engine. Be sure to check back often for new videos and expert advice. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up
And leave a comment.